Yep. You already know what time it is. Today we got the Stream Deck by Elgato. Now, this is a awesome device. We're going to get to the little unboxing of this thing here. This is not a sponsored video. This product was bought by me. As everyone knows, Elgato does not just send out things to no one. They have you first hello, Elgato. With respects to everyone, right? But we don't do that. So we pay for what we want in life here on Tech for Rec. And I decided to pay 149 American pesos to get this little bad boy here with 15 buttons. Let me just get this tape up out of here, right? So, is it worth the money? Do I recommend that one gets it? Can it be used? Is it really worth it? I think so. I think one of the things that I heard one time, I heard someone say, if you don't have an Elgato Stream Deck, you're not an actual streamer. Don't call yourself a streamer because you don't have a Stream Deck. And that never left my mind. So I went and got me an Elgato Stream Deck. And here we go. Do I like it? Yes. Do I think it's worth the money? Can you do a lot with the Elgato Stream Deck? Yes, you can. I think it has points where it can be used and utilized in an orderly fashion and incorporated in your setup. I think it looks awesome in your setup. I think it should be part of everyone's content creation toolkit. Look at that bad boy there. Stream Deck. The packaging is awesome on this thing. They did an awesome job. So shout out to Elgato Stream Deck for that. Packaging is a big thing for me. So that's like a big like. Let's pray. Let's get to it. Look at that bad boy. Stream Deck. 15 buttons. Or buttons, like people say. Respectfully. But yeah. This is not a sponsored video. Links are in the description to this Elgato Stream Deck. I think it's an awesome product. Look at that logo, bro. It's awesome. Look at that. Whoosh, bling. So, it's magical. It's awesome. The Elgato Stream Deck. It comes with a USB plug for power. And it's USB 2.0. Why at this point is it still USB 2.0? I don't know. But the buttons are nice and soft. They have like this feeling of awesomeness when you press them. So look at how beautiful it is. So it opens up. You can take it apart. You can customize it the way you want. The front frame actually comes right off. Pop. That's where you plug it in at. And I'm going to show you guys the USB plug that it comes with. And it has the Elgato stamp on it. Give me 1 second. Now, links are in the description to this video for this product. All you got to do is tap on the link and it'll take you right there. The Elgato Stream Deck is an awesome thing. It's on my setup. You're going to see it in a lot of my content from now on. I'm going to put it to use. And then I'm going to give you guys an update on what I'm doing with this thing and actually show you videos of how I'm actually using it. So you're going to see a lot of content with this Elgato Stream Deck. So should you go out and buy the big one, that's $249 if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. I think the 15 button one is good enough for a beginner or for your first Elgato Stream Deck. But if you just plan on buying the big one anyway, then you might as well just get it if you got the money. For me, I figure I'll get this and buy other things. There you go. USB 2.0. the white one, right? White is 2, 3, blue is 3, and so forth, right? So it goes plugged in right there. It's an awesome product, bro. That's really basically what I have to say about this thing. There's a lot that you can do with this Elgato Stream Deck. Get it. Links in the description. I'll never lie to you. The product is awesome. Thank you for tuning in to Tech for Rec, where we post content like this on a daily basis. Almost on a daily basis. But one thing is for sure, two things is for certain. I'll never lie to you. If a product sucks, it sucks. And this is not one of them. Elgato Stream Deck. Awesome product.